Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Solutions. I'm Edox DC, your crypto driver, here to solve your crypto problems and clear the confusion.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Disclaimer. The content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
Today, we're tackling a hot question. Let's break it down and get your USDT to work for you. You've got TRC20 USDT stored in a wallet but no direct access, just your seed phrase. The phrase itself, laugh, nominee, buzz, game, expose, field wash, shoe world, sadness, bicycle grain, is your key to unlocking the wallet. But now you're asking, how do I access it and turn it into something useful like fiat or other crypto assets? Let's dive into the solution step by step. A seed phrase is the master key to your wallet. It's typically 12 or 24 words, and in your case, this phrase allows you to restore your wallet on any compatible platform. Since your USDT is on the TRC20 network, we need to restore your wallet in a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink, Trust Wallet, or SafePal. Remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone or store it digitally where it can be hacked. Let's keep things secure as we move forward. Start by downloading a trusted crypto wallet app. I recommend TronLink or Trust Wallet for TRC20 transactions. 1. Open the app and select Import Wallet. 1. Enter your seed phrase. Laugh, nominee, buzz, game, expose, field wash, shoe world, sadness, bicycle grain. Exactly as it's written. Double check for typos. 1. Once imported, you should see your USDT balance appear in the wallet. Now that you've restored access, let's look at ways to monetize your TRC20 USDT. 1. Transfer your USDT to an exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or OKX to trade or withdraw as fiat. 1. Use a decentralized exchange, DEX, on the Tron network such as SunSwap to convert USDT into other cryptos like TRX or stablecoins on other networks. 1. If you prefer direct fiat withdrawals, use platforms like Binance P2P to sell your USDT directly to buyers. Here's how to send USDT to Binance. 1. Log into Binance and find your USDT deposit address. Ensure you select TRC20 as the network. 1. Copy the address and go back to your Tron-compatible wallet. 1. Paste the address, select the amount, and confirm the transaction. 1. Wait for the funds to appear in your Binance account. It usually takes just a few minutes on TRC20. Before you start monetizing your USDT, here are some essential precautions. Store it offline in a safe place. If lost, you lose access to your funds forever. Double-check the deposit address when sending USDT to avoid losing your funds. Never share your seed phrase or private keys no matter who asks for them. And lastly, if you're using a P2P platform, ensure you trade only with verified buyers or sellers to avoid fraud. That's all for today's episode of the Daily Crypto Solutions. Now you know how to access and monetize your TRC20 USDT with just a seed phrase. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more daily crypto guides. Got another crypto issue? Drop it in the comments below and I'll cover it in a future video. Until tomorrow, stay secure and keep growing your crypto knowledge. Let's support each other and grow together. Good day, everyone.
Thanks for watching.